So today I will show you how to make next two rounds of a blooming joy blanket. Both of them will be in the same color. Let's start. So slip knot, and now we need to start our round 87 with a standing front post single crochet around first popcorn of with four corner popcorns, the one which is just after our first cluster. Cluster of two double crochet, so with one, so standing front post single crochet like this. And now 3 single crochet in chain one space, chain 3 space, front post single crochet around next popcorn, in chain 4 space, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and chain 2 and double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet, all the stitches in chain 4 space. Front post single crochet around next popcorn, in chain 3 space, 3 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and front post single crochet around next popcorn. And we can mark with stitch because this is our last stitch of our corner repeat, the corner part. Okay, and now we will start working on the repeat for the side part. So in chain 3 space, 2 single crochet, and now working behind round 86, so our previous round, in red round, in round 85, so in red one, behind this previous round, in red round, in fifth skipped back post single crochet, 1, don't count this cluster, only back post single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, fifth one is just before this back post single crochet in which is made first single crochet. So in the back post single crochet which is just before this one, so we do half double crochet, but working, don't forget, we will now be working in stitches for red round behind our previous round. So half double crochet in this fifth back post single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in next skipped stitch, chain 1, single crochet in next skipped stitch, chain 1, single crochet in next skipped stitch, chain 1, and now half double crochet in next skipped stitch. So this is next back post single crochet after this back post single crochet in which is made last single crochet, so like this, half double crochet. And now in chain 3 space, two single crochet, front post single crochet around next popcorn. So, and we can mark with front post single crochet, and this is actually your short side repeat for this round. Let's do it one more time. So 2 single crochet in chain 3 space, half double crochet in back post single crochet just before this back post single crochet which is made first single crochet, so but working behind our round 86, chain 1, single crochet in next skipped stitch, chain 1, single crochet in next skipped stitch, chain 1, single crochet in next skipped stitch, chain 1, and half double crochet in next skipped stitch like this. And now in chain 3 space, 2 single crochet and front post single crochet around next popcorn, and we can mark with front post single crochet, and here's your repeat done twice. Okay, as you can see here, before this 1 2 3 4 back post single crochet, and then the fifth one, in which is made first half double crochet, we have clusters of 2 treble crochet, and here once we start second repeat we have only back post half double crochet, but still your first half double crochet should be made in stitch just before this one. So basically here you're skipping 4 stitches and here you're skipping 5 stitches. That's only difference at the beginning. But repeat, this doesn't change the stitches you do along this side. They are exactly the same. And you need to continue this repeat and do it as long as your last front post single crochet will be made around this popcorn. It's first popcorn or 4 corner popcorns, so this one. Okay, I will do this repeat along this side and will join you at the end of this side to show how it looks once all side repeats are done. Okay, so I am at the end of my last repeat. Chain 1, last half double crochet, 2 single crochet in chain free space, and front post single crochet around next popcorn. And this front post single crochet is made around first first popcorn, so exactly the same stitch where we started our round. So, and our corner after this round looks like this. Well, it is quite difficult to show you all the side. So okay, I will show you this your repeat for this round, and I will show you how to make corner part one more time. So in chain free space 3 single crochet, 1 2 3, front post single crochet around next popcorn, in chain 4 single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet, half double crochet and single crochet. So 6 stitches and chain 2 space. Front post single crochet around next popcorn, 3 single crochet in chain free space, and front post single crochet around next popcorn, like this. And now 2 single crochet in chain free space, half double crochet in fifth skipped back post single crochet behind our previous round, chain 1 single crochet next skipped stitch, chain 1 single crochet next skipped stitch, chain 1 single crochet next skipped stitch, chain 1 half double crochet in next skipped stitch, 2 single crochet in chain free space, and front post single crochet around next popcorn. So, and once your one repeat is done and second repeat is started, your corner will look like this. Okay, continue around and I will join you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round. Chain 1 single crochet next skipped stitch, chain 1 single crochet next skipped stitch, chain 1 half double crochet next skipped stitch, and 2 single crochet in chain free space. And now I need to join to my standing front post single crochet with a slip stitch, and round 87 is done. Okay, I will not show the entire side, it looks exactly the same. Okay, let's do round 88. Chain 1, with chain 1 doesn't count as any stitch, single crochet in same stitch. And now the repeat for this round is chain 1 skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, and in chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, like this, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, and single crochet in next stitch. And we can mark with stitch because this is last stitch of our corner repeat, but actually the side repeat is short side repeat is chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in chain 1 space, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in chain 1 space, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in chain 1 space, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in chain 1 space, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch. This is in our front post single crochet, and we can mark it, but actually we repeat all along the side. Once your repeats will be done, you will have chain, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, but if there are chain 1 spaces, all single crochet falls in chain 1 spaces, and you're skipping all stitches in between. So really easy repeat. So one more time, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in chain 1 space, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in chain 1 space, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in chain 1 space, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in chain 1 space, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, and single crochet in next stitch, like this. And this you repeat done twice. So don't forget to skip this first half double crochet after chain 1 space. It may look a little bit tricky. So okay, so continue. I don't know if I need to show you one more time how to make this corner part, because it is really easy. Just single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, and really easy repeat. Okay, so continue around, and I will meet you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round, and chain 1, single crochet next, chain 1 space, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, and join the first single crochet with a slip stitch and chain 1 and cut yarn, because next round will be in different color. Okay, so this is round 88, and once it is done, the blanket looks like this. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.